Hello, Peter checking in again. We're on day 16 of our meditation series on this channel. How can meditation calm my mind? Can it? Whoa, when I first started meditation, my mind was like, what the Buddhist monks call it, the monkey mind. It's just everywhere, always really loud, especially when I was getting angry or there's problems rising in my life, and rah, 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 or you have an altercation with somebody, really loud mind. And I thought, oh, I'm never gonna calm this down. And it took a little while before it started to get clearer and clearer. In the classes that I was taking, it became a lot easier. And when I started to focus on things like music, or actually when I started to teach Qigong, it really helped to clear the mind and strengthen my focus. And actually it was one meditation when I was actually trying to bring my mind down into my heart area, and I did, and my head was completely clear, and it was like the most weird and bizarre feeling I'd ever experienced, really, for just being with myself. And now I can do it quite quickly, but there's days it's easier than others, because we're all human beings, we all have different stresses and pressures on us. So I've learned not to be too hard on myself. When it doesn't come one day, it'll come the next. So you keep trying, that's why it's called a practice, you keep going with it. So meditation really can help you calm your mind down. It really does. It has with me, it has with many other people that I've trained, and it can do for you as well. So give it a go. There's a webinar I've created with 5 meditation techniques that you can try. It's absolutely free, just click the link. If you want to try a Qigong class, you can just subscribe and click the bell button, and you'll get notifications of the Qigong classes coming up on this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.